Not coming, disgracing yourself up and down, and at the end of the day, spending money here and there, paying lawyers 10 million, 15 million, and all of that. You people can actually call me and I'll settle this matter with just 25 million. Just
our brother when be Mr. Jollof, he don't come back again. Oh, my people, before I go start this video, make I read what he talk. I beg, make una hear. Baba at Olu of Warri, the paramount ruler in Warri Kingdom. My message wasn't properly constructed in achieving peace, which became a slight to the authority in Warri Kingdom. I admit my mistake and I seek for the forgiveness from His Majesty. Traditional Council of Chiefs, fathers, mothers, sons, and daughters in Warri Iwere Kingdom. From Freedom, Opetorishe, Asheboyi, Mr. Jollof. Una don hear am abi? Hello my people, now welcome back again to my channel. Na me be una girl, Warri girl na dey here oh. Yes so abeg I greet all of una according to una time. As e dey hot na so we take dey shop am. But for my new people when just dey come today, God go bless una. Abeg make you like this video, subscribe before you finish. Abeg. So my people Sasa don enter garri oh. Shey una don hear am now. Sasa don enter garri. Our brother now, Mr. Jollof, when they knock mouth, and some people still support am. You understand? If they knock mouth, they shake mouth, they even they talk. Who be Mr. Jollof when go come one Olu of Warri now? That one na insult from the beginning. You understand? For now, when be like say, una no understand the whole thing. I go put on the video for this one. Make we dey analyze am one by one before we go start the new one. Number one, Mr. Jollof come. The kind one when he come, the first one when he come one, okay, make we say come one, Brosa Yiri and Olu of Warri. People, I no put that first video because I don't put her for that introduction before I start. The second one when be like say, it can't happen. Now when Lizzie God come one a better one say we demand apology from you because that one are insult to the throne. That one come pass. My people, now he can't come back. He come back again. More na even see person when they talk to Olu of Warri, even wear cap. They say na peace. Now they talk about peace. Mona wait to that first video. I don't want put am again. If you never watch and go watch am for the ones one I don't make before. I don't want put. I don't want make this video long. I want just drop the one when do this night now. So now I want drop. You they talk to your elderly people. You put cap. That one are number one insults. Number two, you start to they warn them. Number three, you start to they talk to Olu of Warri anyhow by saying this na the peace when he talk for a coronation day. Many say you even they take side. You understand? My people, I don't want to talk today. The one where be like say he can't do again. He can't come beg again. As he come again, come beg. That beg where beg so many people say he not mean am. For me, he not come from me heart. I don't already know say go come beg again. I make this our mouth. I beg. Make we control our mouth. May not put us for trouble. Whether you like it or not, everything when this guy talk, we don't know what he dey mind. We don't already know say this guy so he not dey happy say Olu of Warri dey that place. Number one. Whether you post the picture, you post the coronation party for your page, that doesn't change the fact that you are not happy. Now make me, I dey always tell people, no join people to do evil. No hate person because another of your friend dey vex for that person when the person no do you anything. My people, he get why. He get why yo. See now, Mr. Jollof don come outside again. This evening, today, so he don come outside again to come apologize. Because he believe say that first apology, he no get weight. And secondly, everybody when listen to that the first apology go know say this guy he no serious. He think say na joke, people dey joke. For that one I never watch am because that one short I go put am. Mona watch the first apology when make.
Formas Oburu Pururu Ogiame, pururu. Baba, yesterday now post video on how we go fit come together. How Shekiri go take be one. How Shekiri go take move forward with a 10 years plan. Baba, nice sons and daughters of the land, like they misinterpret me, say I be rebel. Baba, if you can recall very well, 21st of August, the coronation, I personally congratulated you. The following day, Baba, I made 2 publications on my Instagram platform where get over 1 million plus followership to promote the throne. So, Baba, how for October, I will cut the rebel. A short punch. Baba, may nobody misinterpret me. And I will call on the sons and daughters of Iwere land. Make una not see me as rebel to Iwere land. I belong to the school of thought that the uniqueness of Ishekiri. Now one
my
crown,
people, now
one
be
king,
this so make
one
I put
language.
am make una dey see am. I go put am loud and well make una listen to the first apology whether na person wey dey serious or they just push am make come apologize.
That I will always stand on. I will call on the sons and daughters of Ishekiri. Most especially I will call on Baba to forgive me. If possible, the Baba will give me the blessing self. Say autonomy, abuna own. So I take God beg una. I beg una no go fit be rebel to Iwere land. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless Delta State, and God bless Iwere land. Ashamukia.
My people, una don hear that apology, abi? You no see, and not this one a second insult as far as I'm concerned, because in dey try claim rights. You understand? In dey try claim rights. So if you wan settle peace, now for social media, you go come take talk to Olu of Warri, say they settle the issue. I not just blame her anyway. Make we go the 3rd video. Mona watch.
I want to use this medium to apologize. Not just apologize, sincerely apologize to His Majesty, the paramount ruler in Warri Kingdom, Ogiame Atuwase III, the Olu of Warri. The 6th day of October 2021, I made a publication. The topic was on how we can strive for peace in Warri Kingdom, but it was totally out of place and not properly constructed, of which I admit. It became an insult to the sons and daughters in Warri Kingdom. I accept my mistake and I seek for the forgiveness of the authority in Warri Kingdom, and also the forgiveness from the sons and daughters in Warri Kingdom. Silver and gold I have none, but all I ask for is for your forgiveness. Ogiame, for mercy, forgive me. Our daughters, forgive me. Our mothers, forgive me. Our fathers, forgive me. Sons, forgive me. All I dey preach for that peace. And that peace, we go embrace ourselves and we go achieve all.
My people now don't hear am. They say a word is enough for the wise. See, abeg, make people not use us take learn example. Abeg, make we learn from other people experience. Make them not learn from our own bad experience. So if something don dey happen, you see how e dey go, you still come outside with your hand when full chest dey hit your chest, say you go come outside to even talk this thing. My people, I no know wetin una think about am, but I know say e go still come back to apologize for the 3rd time. Una go see am. As a matter of fact, e suppose go that palace, go lie down there, go even apologize. Shey you understand? All this kind one that they tie kogo meat they put for their neck, they na koko they follow them for area. Now this kind people, now so that they suppose they do them, they flog them with plantain leaf. So my people, I go dey stop this video for here. Wetin una think about am? Mona forgive am o. I go see una for another video. Bye.